No matter how nice your pool is to look at, it's what you can't see can make a huge difference in how much you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Stacy Wilson. Here at Azalea Pools, we focus both on the journey and the destination while building your new pool. First, we listen. Our team will work with you to create your vision using state-of-the-art technology and good old-fashioned experience. We go through every aspect of the build with you, from design, location, to the materials used. Next, we use the best craftsmen in their field to bring your vision to life. They move and shape the dirt, bend the steel, assemble plumbing, spray gunite, you get the picture. We also build your pool with a lot less maintenance in mind. We create it where the water turns over a lot more often, so it's being filtered more. And that takes heavier duty pipes and bigger pumps. The journey matters, but so does the destination. The best part for us is when the pool is done and your memories start.
The experience was great. Like I said, we brought a plan that we had, and we had a picture in our mind and kind of an idea. They brought it to life, and they also did it in a 3D format where we could look at it prior to putting it in. We've had at least 2 neighbors look at our pool and choose Azalea to put pools in afterwards.
Yeah, and if we ever move, we would want them to put another pool in for us as well, because it's been a good experience.
They did a great job.
They did.
I would definitely recommend Azalea Pools. I think as people make large purchases, they're always looking for the best. And I think that as we did our homework, we found that Azalea Pools, they stand up to their reputation. I would definitely use them in the future.
They have been on the ball. They have communicated extremely well. Almost every day of the project, somebody was communicating with me, letting me know what the process was, what was going on during the day, what we planned for the week. Project management is key to something like this, going from concept to reality. And they did an outstanding job.
Azalea Pools are designed, engineered, and built to last longer and are easier to maintain. That's the Azalea Pools difference. Come see us at our showroom or check us out at azaleapools.com.